Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Today, I'm showing you how to make a simple and easy chocolate shake. It is perfect, it is healthy, and it's gonna fill your sweet tooth. So let's get started. The first thing that you need is a cup of ice. I am adding 1 whole banana, 1/3 cups of peanut butter. That's going to give it a nice creamy flavor. This is perfect. You can make it before work, after work, for breakfast, for lunch, as a snack. I personally love it and my kids love it. They're actually lining up behind me right now waiting for me to finish with it. Cocoa powder, and the cocoa powder I'm going to show you is from Kivia Food. Guys, you can also use my code, which is Maxine's Corner 10 off. Okay, 1 tablespoon of the cocoa powder, and this is a pure cocoa powder. It's packed full of iron, fiber, and magnesium. Teaspoon of flax meal, and 1 cup of your favorite plant-based milk. And that is all you need to make this deliciousness, especially when you are in a hurry. You're trying to get out the house, so I'm making it quick and easy for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. This is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and blend this up right now. Here we have our glass. A meal replacement, perfect for before the gym. Look how thick this is. Absolutely delicious. Look at that. Perfect serving size. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give the video a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time in another video. And say it with me. Stay healthy.